Sam, whoa. Okay, enough of the nonsense, bro. Come.
Okay.
Tell me, what are we gonna do here today?
Okay, so we're gonna get some gnarly barrels.
Okay, let me get closer. Okay, wait. Say that again.
We're
Got
gonna get
the audio.
some gnarly barrels.
Gnarly
We're
barrels.
gonna pull in. We're gonna get hammered.
Are we gonna snap any boards?
Really, I'm definitely gonna snap.
Is it gonna be worth watching?
It's gonna be worth watching.
Alright, you heard that, guys. It's gonna be worth watching.
Chunk out of my nose, you know. I check you guys outside.
Oh no, it wasn't calming.